Hello, my friends. We have some limited edition products to share with you today. Once they're gone for good, so get them quick if you want them. Now, we have our Adore Heart die set. It's a 2-die set. This was in one of our kits at one time. We have a few extras, so we're putting them on the website today, as well as the Adore Collection paper pad. So if you like this type of, these colors, this has the little ice cream truck in it, which are so fun, and the ice cream cones. Perfect for birthdays, dots. Oh, I love, mini ice cream cones. So fun. If you like this, go get it now, because again, once it's gone for good. We also have a very, I'm surprised we're even putting this in the video because there's so little in stock. The June 2018 card kits. Now this one was the Sparkle collection. This is the one that had the fun seashells and the sand dollars and the waves. There's some more shells, lots of fun. It also had, are you ready for this? Puffy stickers with sea turtles. If you've never had a chance to check out our card kit clubs, this is the perfect one to get just to make sure that you're gonna love the card kit club. It comes with an exclusive stamp set that has this, which is really fun. It has the die word Sparkle. It has, oh, look at these buttons. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, I wish you could see these buttons up close because they're really fun. They have these cute little flowers in there. You're gonna love it. Twine, and everything you need to make tons of cards. So that's fun. Also, we have 2 embellishment kits. We have the Stars and Stripes embellishment kit, and we have the Bold Blues. Now, these are very limited. What happens is sometimes we over order on certain items, and so we make up these little kits, sell them at a really huge discount, just so we can keep things moving out of our warehouse. Now, this one has some fun puffy stickers, 2 ribbons. It has some epoxy stars, some blue brads, and tri-colored blue twine. So much fun. So that is the Stars and Stripes. Then, lastly, we have the Bold Blues. Now, this one has lots of blues in it. This is like blue theme here. We have Midnight and Midnight with white dots ribbon. We have Midnight and white twine. We have some brads. We have some heart epoxy and some cork stickers. So much fun. Again, all of these items are very limited. If you do not see them on our website, that means we are sold out. So go get them quick. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.